Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'll be doing another Lego Polybag build-along. And normally what I do when I pick a polybag is I pick one that I think is cool looking, or one that might have something that an interesting looking technique that they used in building it. And I picked this one for a little bit different reason. The reason I picked this is I wanted to see the Friends style minifig. And I'm assuming the name for them is not minifig, it's something different. But I wanted to check it out because I'm kind of a Lego purist in that I prefer the look of the minifigs. But I at least wanted to take a look at one of the Friends minifigs. I'm sure there's a name for it. If there's a name for it, let me know in the comments. Anyway, and also, I wanted to see, I don't know if y'all can tell or not from the picture, that's like a bazooka from the space set. And I feel weird that they're using it as a camera, but I wanted to look at that too. Now this is Lego set 30205, and I've included links in the description if you want to find this on Amazon or Bricklink, or information about it on Brickset. And also, if you enjoy this kind of video and you like, you know, the Lego build-along stuff, I am planning on doing these for the foreseeable future, one a day. So if you subscribe and select to get the notifications, I think you click like the bell or something, I don't know. Anyway, you should be notified whenever I have another one up, which should be one a day. Anyway, let's open this thing up and take a look at it, because I am really curious about the minifig. Now, one thing that I have noticed about the Friends sets is you get some interesting colors with them, and also like you get interesting color pieces. Like they've added a lot of purples and sort of magenta, maybe. Anyway, and like there are a couple sets that I really liked. Like I liked they had like a sort of a sunflower. I like that. I did a build for that one a little bit ago. Alright, anyway. So let's put this thing together and see where we stand. Alright. This one should be relatively quick. Alright. So, there, and there, and there. And then 2 steps. Step number 1 and step number 2. And then we have a, I think that's bright, is this bright yellow or bright orange? Anyway, it's a bright color. Alright, and then we're going to have a couple more steps. Maybe we're going to have a couple more steps. There we go. Yes, we're going to have a couple more steps. Like so. And then we have the podium stand, which I somehow screwed up. Okay. There we go. So we got that. And then we have the lights. I wonder why it's like alternating pink and yellow. I wouldn't have done it that way. Actually, let's not be crazy. It's going to be pink, yellow, yellow, pink. Because we're not monsters. Alright, so this goes down here on the bottom. And then we build up a podium with these clear pieces. And then there's a mic stand. So this is the mic. And we have the mic stand right there. And the award which obviously is an award, is made from minifig telescope and a star. That's not a bad looking award. I mean, like, that's kind of a neat technique to do it. Like so. And then we have the bazooka stand. Alright. So we start with this. And then we put a flower on top. And then the stand for that. And then we use our space bazooka with... Alright. So the space bazooka is facing this way. So we put the pink light right there. And then this is, I'm assuming, like a viewfinder looking thing. It's intended to be a viewfinder. Alright. And then it just sort of sits on top. Right here. Alright. So we got this part. Now let's take a look at her. Alright. So we got that, and we got this. I want to take a look at her. First of all, I was curious about if they were one piece or not. And alright, so they're not one piece, which is good to know. And okay, they bend at the waist. So you have their bend. Oh, and the arms bend too. All right, that's kind of cool. Do the legs bend? All right, the legs do not bend, but both arms, you get pretty much the level of interaction you get with the minifig. And then her head, it's kind of a different. I mean, it's a different shaped head. You can see that it's a little bit different shape. Like so. And then the hair. How on earth? Alright. So there's a little bit, can y'all see this? Maybe? I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a little bitty teeny hole right there in the hair where the bow goes. Alright, like so. Alright, so that's kind of interesting. So the Friends minifigs are a bit more, there's a bit more to them than I thought, just from looking at them. So that's not too bad. I don't necessarily feel like I'm the target audience for this particular set, but it's kind of interesting. And a cool thing about the Friends sets is I think they've gotten us some pieces that what normally. Oh, she gets a mic too. Okay, wait a minute. So let's look at the picture. Can y'all see that okay? So let's see. So she gets a mic. I'm assuming they just gave us extra pieces. These are duplicate pieces. So we got an extra flower, an extra bow, and an extra mic and an extra mic stand. Although I think this is like a skeleton foot or something. It's a black skeleton foot. Anyway, it's kind of a neat set. I mean, like, it's not bad. And again, although I don't necessarily feel I'm the target audience for the Friends minifigs, they're better than I was expecting them to be. I mean, I was kind of I was expecting them to be less, like, lacking some articulation. So that's neat. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have you liked or not liked the Friends sets? Anyway, If you have any suggestions for any sets you'd like to see me do, any polybags, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.